The difference. The vibes. Mr. Tryhard. DJ Rich Rock.
Yo, Mark. Mark to the fun. Ready.
Dummy on a beat, so it's a banger.
Ready. Let's go. See the dancer we a burn up street. Every dancer we out here do it. Let's do it. Now place I said I wanna ready for crowd. I'm in love to see everybody a sway. Yeah, so we swing. To the right, to the left. The bad mind can't stop the dancer. It only the realest thing and you will see it. Swear. Ready.
Welcome back to the show, Peer Vibes in the studio. Guys, you know, so we love bringing you the stories behind the music, but this one, listen, this is a full-on cultural fusion. With us in the studio is US rapper BARZINI and the ever vibesy
Queg. I said I'm going to pronounce Queg.
From Voicemail, and they're here to talk about their brand new collaboration, Shake. But on that song, we also have dancehall powerhouse Ding Dong, who's actually on tour right now. So unfortunately, he can't make it here in the studio. But either way, we're going to get into it. Welcome to the show, gentlemen.
It's an honor being here.
Yeah.
Thank you both for having me on. I'm on daytime live.
Yeah.
BARZINI, I love you. I love you.
This
Okay.
is a big cultural jump for you, you know. You're based in the US, you're a US rapper. What inspired you to say, hey, I want to do some dance hall, and this is the track I want to do, and I want to do the Ding Dong and that brother who nobody know.
Well, I've lived here my first 10 years in Jamaica. And then I've always loved dancehall music, and Voicemail, if you don't know, he is my favorite Singjay.
Yeah?
Voicemail is my favorite group of all time.
Yeah.
So imagine.
Kevin, big up anyway there.
So imagine you get to work with your favorite group or your favorite artist. Man, it's just an absolute dream come true.
Yeah.
Like, actually, when he did a song for me, I literally had tears in my eyes.
Oh, we love that, BARZINI. And big up yourself for bigging up and giving flowers to everybody who deserves flowers. But like we said, it's not just your favorite artists as well. Ding Dong is also on the track.
Yes.
Tell us about the connection. How did that come about with two giant powerhouse, yourself as well, on one track? How the connection?
So the idea was I wanted to do a fusion. So, you know, Voicemail has done their whole career doing dance music.
Right.
So I call them the dance gods.
Okay.
You know, and I wanted
TGs.
to get the king of dance music,
Yeah.
which is Ding Dong.
Yeah.
So Lagwood Production made this rhythm. I wanted to do something fun for the ladies. It was a party anthem. So I knew I wanted to connect the both with dancehall and hip hop with a fusion. So, and I talked to Craig. I was like, yo, how can we make this happen?
Yeah.
I really want to make this king of dance music and the gods of dance music.
You see that energy?
I love it.
That energy that you brought to the space. Is it easier to work in the dancehall space or the hip hop space, or is it just like two total different lanes that are equally exciting?
Well, Craig called me like, yo, say you do dancehall because you rap on nothing but dancehall beats. So that's what makes you different and unique from all the hip hop artists.
Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe I'm a dancehall artist, I just rap.
You just don't know.
Yeah.
So, Craig, a question for you.
Yeah.
Now, like BARZINI has been saying, you're a legend in the space.
Thank you.
We love you, and you're always bringing out awesome songs, particularly for me, who's in the dance space as well. Every time he drops something, it's something that can do something to you.
For sure.
But what made you feel like, just between us,
Yeah.
what made you feel like working with
Him.
BARZINI, just between us,
With him.
was like the right move for you? You know what I mean? I know why he's like, yo, Craig, yeah. But for you, why you go, yo, this is the move for
Well, for me personally, outside of the energy, as you can see, Connect is the same type of energy that Voicemail ooze off. You know what I mean? We're the fun factors of dancehall. BARZINI, I would say,
factors, I like
one of the fun energy in hip hop. You know what I mean? I mean, he's he's one of those people where you just want to work with, you know. And I mean, it wasn't hard, you know. It was a no-brainer for me personally. And BARZINI, as I say, as you can see, the energy, you know, that's a big vibe for me.
Who came up with the concept for the song?
Well, it's his concept, you know.
Yeah.
He was the one who had the whole song, you know. It's just that there was another chorus, and I was like, Bars, you need to tell the ladies them what you want them to do.
Right.
You know what I mean?
So him write the song.
But I wrote my part. He wrote
His part.
His part.
So all three on the right phone part.
Yeah, man, of course.
And when they come out, they realize that all three on.
Yeah, I know that's something there.
Daddy.
No, BARZINI, like you were saying, it's a fusion of what you do. It's like a fusion. And for you, Craig, it was like loving, but whatever. Can we expect more collaborations in the future?
Yeah,
Is there
sure.
more
There's more.
coming?
Yes,
You know,
there's
there's
more.
more. There's more.
I have another single with him and Busy Signal, so fans can look out for that.
Okay.
So that might be the sophomore single. So we gearing up for this dancehall and hip hop fusion.
So the new song is called Shake,
Shake.
and it dropped when?
It came out last week.
Just Friday, right?
And it's for the ladies.
It's for the
Straight for the ladies.
Okay.
So Craig won't be dancing in this video.
But he was dancing while performing it.
There's a way out.
So, and also, the big question that the viewers are asking as well, like, when you're performing it here on Daytime Live?
Well, BARZINI return soon, you know.
So whenever, we're organizing.
Gear for that.
No problem. Where can we find you guys on social media quickly before we go?
Well, you know, Craig voicemail music on all platforms. And yeah, if you can't find me there, so just Google me.
Okay.
And on Instagram and TikTok, The Real BARZINI.
How the BARZINI is spelled?
BARZINI.
All right. That's it right there, guys. Listen, go check it out. Shake is out now. Big respect to BARZINI, Ding Dong, and Craig, who represent him. Ding Dong is not here, but both of them represented for him, and for giving us the inside scoop on what's shaping up to be a serious hit. Now, right after the break, we're going to have more Daytime Live, but the cousin of Poor Stone is going to be playing next. That is none other than Rich Rock.
Jesus. The cousin of Poor Stone?
The cousin of Poor Stone.
Soon as the music hit, I can't behave